Welcome to the C# practical session. In this video, we will discuss the program on constructor. Before going to the program, I will discuss the definition of the constructor. In C#, the constructor is the special method which is invoked automatically at the time of the object creation. When you create the object, the constructor will automatically invoked. It is used to install the data members and a new object generally, and in constructor in C#, the name of the constructor and the class name should be same. Okay, the constructor name and class name should be same. So there can be two types. One is the default constructor and another one is parameterized constructor. Default constructors don't have any arguments, whereas the parameter constructor has the arguments. Okay, first I will go through the default constructor. Okay, so I will just remove the previous program, that is factorial. I have a class employee. Okay, inside of the class employee, I have created one constructor. Remember, class name and constructor name should be same. Here my class name is employee and constructor name also employee. Okay, and remember one more thing, and a very important thing, constructor doesn't have any return type. I will repeat once again. Constructor has it does not contain any return type, like int return type void. If you applied the void to a employee constructor, then it will be considered as a method, not a constructor. In method, we need to call the method with help of the object, whereas the constructor, it invoke automatically at the time of object creation. Okay, I will repeat once again. If you apply void to a constructor, then it will be considered as method. Okay, constructor does not have any return type. Okay, so inside the constructor I will just print console dot write line hello, I am constructor. Okay, next what I will do is I will create main method public static void main string args. Okay, now I will create the object of class employee, that is A1. E1 employee. Okay, so constructor will call automatically once you create the object E1. Okay, so now it will call the employee constructor and it will print the hello I am constructor. Okay, next I will move to the Visual Studio. I will create new project. I will go through the console application. The name of the project I will choose Constructor. Location of drive, solution name is Constructor. Here is the main method and here is the class. I will create the employee class. I will keep a program as it is. Inside the program class, I will create the constructor program, which is in public program. Remember, the class name and the constructor should be same. Here my class name is program and constructor name also a program. Okay. Next, I will print console dot write line hello I am constructor. Hello I am constructor. Next, I will create the object of class program. How to create the object? Class name program p new, just call the constructor program. I will just forgotten to put here parenthesis. Okay, we are getting here error, type mistake, program. I will just declare it is public. Okay, now I will call the constructor program by creating the object P. Now I will just run the program. Yes, I will forget to read the content with help of the console.readline method. Console.readline method. Yes, hello, I am constructor. So this is the definition of the constructor. I will repeat once again. The conditions for the constructor here, class name and the constructor should be same, and constructor doesn't have any return type like int white. If you apply the return type to the constructor, then it will be considered as the method. Okay, so this is about the default constructor. Next I will the move to the parameterized constructor. Just I will pass here the arguments to the constructor int a comma int b. Okay, inside this the console write line I will make addition of values a and b, addition of values a plus a plus b. Okay, now I will pass the values here at the time of the creation of the object 10 comma 20. Here 10 will be stored in variable a and 20 will be stored in b. Okay, so this is called as parameterized constructor. The constructor which contains the arguments called as parameterized constructor, whereas the constructor does not have any arguments or parameters called as default constructor. Okay, I will run this program. Addition of values 30, perfect. We will just put here equal to operator, so that there will be the perfect output. Yes, the addition of values 30. So this is about the constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructor. Thank you for the watching. Stay home, stay safe.